We are back again. I'm cheating. This is unboxing 4, 5 and 6. I'm doing it. I'll do it separately but the same, if you know what I mean. I won't do them all on the camera because that's a bit strange, because this is another thing I'm very excited for. I've been hankering after these for such a long time, and they've finally become a kind of price that's obtainable. Long story short, I really wanted the Apple HomePod, but it's it's kind of held back by himself. It's so lackluster. I mean, the speakers, they say that it's fantastic, but the limitations are very apparent, even to a guy. I'm not that techie and I'm not that, you know, that way inclined, but it doesn't seem that great for the price. So what I've done is I've got one of these, a Sonos Play1. It's phenomenally good sound. The price is, it's good for what it is. I mean, it's expensive in comparison to, say, a chocolate bar, but in the grand scheme of wireless speakers, the brand is fantastic and the quality is fantastic. It comes with a great warranty, and most importantly, I want to start to be the future proofing of the house. I want to get the Philips Hue, I want to get this, that and the other. My dad's got it and it's quite cool to have the Google Home, but I've gone the other way. I want the Siri Home. We're working on it. The home kit isn't there yet, but we're getting there. It's getting there. So I'm just going to have a quick diddle with that. There we go. We'll just move that to the side. But anyway, I don't have one Sonos Play1. I have two Sonos Play1s. This one's going in this bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is going here, and it's going specifically to the corner. This is going in the kitchen, and that'll be on for when I'm cooking and doing whatever else, laundry, washing up, life stuff. So that's going to be in there. And finally, I've got this for the front room, Sonos Play 3. This is still rather expensive, but this was a treat for Christian. This was for me. So I will unbox that in another video, but I'm just showing you it because I'm quite excited. So here we go. Here's the Sonos Play1. I'm not going to open them both. I'll just open one, and I will, in the next video, I'm going to set it up in here. And I've never done it, so it'll be blind. It'll be blind for me and you, and we'll get there. We'll do it. I keep getting told, don't look at the camera, don't look at the camera, you're not professional, you're not professional. Oh, I've ripped the box. I wanted to keep the boxes. I wanted to leave them around strategically, so someone goes, oh, have you got some Sonos speakers? And I go, yes, I have many. Right, oh, here we go. Bring it up top. Hope you can see. We have, I assume, an information booklet. Yes, we do. Quick start guide. Probably going to read this one because, oh, how very Andy Warhol-esque. Oh, here's a quick start guide. Plug it in. There you go. Oh, open it out. Plug in your player, download the Sonos app. So apparently, yeah, everything's just on the app. I did suspect, but I didn't know if there's any button pressing or whatnot. Anyway, Sonos branded cardboard, 50 quid. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. I got some cheese that was wrapped like this at Christmas, a big block of Wensleydale. Oh, hear that rip. I don't want to rip the stick. Oh, I've ripped the sticker. Oh, bloody. In the bloody. Anyway, so the Sonos comes in some kind of, I've seen inside it. Comes in some kind of weatherproof sock. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's heavy. That is surprisingly heavy. Wow, it's very nice. second Sonos cardboard block. And that's come with the plug. A UK plug. It's hard to find, to be honest, quite a lot nowadays. You find a lot of these technology companies and whatnot, they just send you out a universal plug, like an adapter, like the Apple one, and it's just sort of like you can plug and play with like the different regions. So you'd have 2 pins for America that you clip on, 3 for the UK. But this is an actual 3-pin UK plug, which it's a nice touch. I mean, I'm rambling a bit, but it's a nice touch. We usually get forgotten over here in this small island in the middle of nowhere. 1 Ethernet cable for if you want to hook it directly to your wireless box, your router. See, told you I'm not a techie kind of guy. So we are going to plug this in, and we are going to set it up, and we are going to, well, we can't play any music because I don't want to get any copyright strikes. I don't want to get, kicked in the nads before we begin. So we'll have to improvise. Imagine a good song. Oh, I know what I can do. Classical music. No one will ever know who was the player, the orchestra. No one will know. I won't tell you. Can we do that? Yeah, we'll do that. Fiddly-tay, fiddly-dee, fiddly-da, fiddly-dee, fiddly-doo, fiddly-dee. Right, plug it in. Cable's quite long, that's quite handy. Right, this isn't going to be the final position, this is just to set up. I'm going to be having a little diddle with it in a bit. I've never done this before, as you can see. I've never really done an unboxing before, as you can see, so, we're going as we go. Where's the plug? Right, it goes in down there. There we go, couldn't find the hole. Right, got a single flashing white light. So let's program it. We've got our iPad here. So, Sonos app. I hope you can see everything that's going on the screen. I'll tell you what, we'll turn the brightness way up. Wow. Right, here we go. Sonos app. All your music, one app. Right, set up a new system. Create account. Right, 1 second. We are back. It didn't take 4 to 6 minutes, it took about another 30 seconds, but you'll never know that because of the strategic jump code. Right, the product is now up to date. Now we're registering it. Right, custom tune your speakers with TruePlay so you get great sound no matter where you place them. TruePlay okay, how do I do that? Go to the bedroom. I'm in it. Where you intend? Right, okay, now it's been moved, so I intend to leave it over there. That's where it's going. Make sure you place the speaker where you intend to leave it. TruePlay tuning is specific to your speaker's placement. If you move your speaker, you'll need to retune. Hold your iPad like this. Okay, I've got to keep the room quiet, so sorry. There's a technique. I'm glad you're not going to see this because I'm going to look a right dickhead. Right, okay, I'm going renegade, I'm going off the charts. Right, I'm back. I tell you what, right, I was thinking all the way through that. I was thinking, I grew up in the 90s, that just sounds like what people used to take smack and just go to raves on it. It's quite cool to be back in the day. Right. Okay, so that's the TruePlay tuning done. I didn't even watch that. That's cool. Okay, add a music service. Right, I've got Apple Music, and we'll just do that. I'm already a member. Right, okay. So my Apple Music is done. We'll just try for you. Well, I don't want to play any of these because, as I say, I don't want to get told off. So, oh God, I love R.E.M. I'm a big Smiths fan as well, so I'm a bit morose and a bit soulful. So we're gonna go to search. I'm gonna pick something. It's classical music. As far as you understand, you're pretty okay with classical music because it's not the music, it's the artist. So I'm gonna do that. So as if you don't know who it is, we'll be good. Actually, as I say, it doesn't make any difference how good the speakers are to you, because if you're listening to it off some tinny little PC speakers or off your headphones, then you'll only hear what my microphone picks up. So that's the point, because the microphone cost me £3 from eBay. So we'll end it there. There we go. Perfect. One Sonos speaker done. 2 more to do. 1 you'll see. That'll be the Play 3. So thank you very much. That was the Sonos Play1 speaker. Fixing, doing, creating.